Tushar Sharma stands in the professional office environment, smiling confidently. Tushar Sharma, with enthusiasm, says, "Hello, I'm Tushar Sharma, the proud founder of Zero Group of Technologies. Welcome to our world where innovation meets excellence." The scene transitions to a montage of sleek website designs, apps, and tech visuals. Tushar Sharma, in a voiceover, says, "At Zero Group of Technologies, we are passionate about turning your ideas into powerful digital solutions. Whether you're a startup looking to make a mark or an established business aiming to scale, we're here to help you succeed." The scene cuts to Tushar standing confidently again. Tushar Sharma says, "We specialize in providing cutting-edge IT services that include..." The scene transitions to visuals of each service as Tushar narrates. Tushar Sharma, in a voiceover, says, "Custom web development, creating beautifully functional websites tailored to your needs, e-commerce solutions, transforming your business with seamless online stores, mobile app development, building user-friendly apps to engage your customers on the go, digital marketing, helping you grow your online presence and drive results with precision, software development, developing efficient solutions that meet your business challenges head-on, IET consulting, guiding you through the complexities of technology to create strategies that work." With a team of highly skilled experts, we understand the importance of technology in today's fast-paced world. That's why we're committed to delivering top-tier solutions that not only meet your expectations, but exceed them. When you partner with us, you're not just getting a service, you're gaining a long-term ally committed to your growth. So, whether you need a brand new website, a mobile app, or a complete digital transformation, Zero Group of Technologies is here to bring your vision to life. Let's create something amazing together. Get in touch with us today and let's start building the future together.